好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin. As our previous episode, today I'm still going to give you some vocabulary from my HSK1 vocabulary list and give you a lot of examples. So if you want to check out the previous episode, please hit the link. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, without further ado, let's get started. 只有 only have. 只有我只有一辆车 I only have one car. 我只有一辆车 I only have one car. 只 only 我只想喝水 I only want to drink water. 我只想喝水兄弟姐妹 siblings 兄弟姐妹你有几个兄弟姐妹 How many siblings do you have? 你有几个兄弟姐妹哥哥 older brother 弟弟 younger brother 他有两个哥哥一个弟弟 He has two older brother, one younger brother 他有两个哥哥一个弟弟姐姐 older sister 妹妹 younger sister 我没有姐姐也没有妹妹 I don't have any older sisters. I also don't have any younger sisters. 我没有姐姐也没有妹妹聪明 smart, intelligent 这个孩子很聪明聪明这个孩子很聪明 This kid is very smart. 儿子 son 儿子我妹妹的儿子今年3岁我妹妹的儿子今年3岁 My younger sister's son is 3 years old this year. 我妹妹的儿子今年3岁女儿你的女儿非常可爱 Your daughter is really cute. 你的女儿非常可爱Your daughter is very cute. 觉得 to think, to feel, in your opinion. 你觉得他的中文怎么样 How do you think of his Chinese? 你觉得他的中文怎么样半 half 半我只有半瓶水 I only have half bottle of water. 我只有半瓶水I only have half bottle of water. 家人 family, family member. 家人我要回家看我的家人 I want to return home to see my family. 我要回家看我的家人 I want to return home to see my family. 可爱 cute 可爱我的狗超级可爱 My dog is super cute. 我的狗超级可爱一些 some 一些台湾人说英语说得很好一些台湾人说英语说得很好 Some Taiwanese people speak very good English. 一些台湾人说英语说得很好一定 for sure, definitely. 我觉得明天一定会下雨I think it will definitely rain tomorrow. 我觉得明天一定会下雨 I think it will definitely rain tomorrow. 不一定 Not necessarily. It depends. 不一定会说汉语的人不一定会教汉语会说汉语的人不一定会教汉语People who can speak Mandarin are not necessarily can teach Mandarin. 会说汉语的人不一定会教汉语。一样 the same. 一样我们戴一样的眼镜 We wear the same glasses. 我们戴一样的眼镜 We wear the same glasses. 不一样 Not the same. Different. 不一样这种茶和那种茶不一样 This kind of tea and that kind of tea are different. 这种茶和那种茶不一样。难 difficult 难，中文很难 Mandarin is difficult 中文很难。容易 easy 容易。你觉得哪个语言最容易学？你觉得哪个语言最容易学？ Which language do you think is the easiest to learn? 你觉得哪个语言最容易学？ Which language do you think is the easiest to learn? Alright, so I give you a lot of vocabulary as you can see. It's all in my PDF file in my course of HSK1, which you can see the links down below. So if you want to see more of this video lesson, check the link down below in my course on Teachable or support me on Patreon. You can see 200 plus video lesson in my podcast. All my courses information are down below if you're interested in the description box. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。